In Brevard County, we've been using stormwater ponds extensively since the 1990s to help remove nitrogen and phosphorus from our runoff. Unfortunately, these ponds can only remove up to about 40% of the excess nutrients that flow into them. Save Our Indian River Lagoon program has been incorporating new technologies like this BAM project to help increase the amount of nutrients that we're removing from our ponds and other stormwater treatment areas. When we add in additional projects that are in the plan, like our baffle boxes and our floating vegetative islands, we can create an effective treatment train that greatly reduces the amount of nutrients in our runoff that can feed algal blooms in the lagoon.
Currently in Brevard, we have about 25 stormwater projects underway with a contract for design and/or construction, and the majority of those are water quality projects.
Utilizing a lot of different types of techniques, what we focused on in most of these projects have been Biosorption Activated Media, or BAM. There are a multitude of different types, and they can be engineered specifically for the type of pollutants that you're targeting. In the case of these projects, we're trying to be very cost effective and produce our own BAM. For most of them, it's been a mixture of mulch and clean sand, and that creates that environment for that biology to occur and that physical activity to occur.
What we do is we envelope it in this filter fabric to keep the dirt and what have you, is what we don't want getting into our BAM. And we want the water to travel slowly through it for bioabsorption. We're looking at knocking out the nitrogen and the phosphorus. As the water migrates to the lagoon through this material, we're getting some clean water going into the lagoon. We're attacking not only stormwater, we're attacking the groundwater as well, which is very important.
I've seen the degradation of the lagoon and seen what has happened over my lifetime. You know, my hope is with these projects that we're involved with that we can reverse a lot of that and hopefully return the lagoon to its original condition.